friends, how are you friends? I think you all are fine. I am also fine. So, welcome in new video of physics class and in our channel TK Education. Mm. In this video, we will start a topic, new topic, and first we will do some practice of electric and energy of electron in orbital circular path. So first we do it for H atom, means hydrogen atom. So for hydrogen, you know that z is equal to 1, and for E1 is equal to, first we have to that is in electron volt, and we know that what is electron volt, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equal to, that is 1 electron volt is in 1. We know that for E1 means the number of electron is first, E1 is equal to electron volt. Now for E2, 2 is equal to 4, and we divide it, that is approximate 3.4 electron volt. When we eat for E3, so minus 13.6 is equal to 3.9, then it is equal to minus 1.8 electron volt. So for E4, minus 13.6 into 0.85. So we notice here, when we increase the number of orbit, then energy of electrons are increases, because we know that the negative value of more number is less than negative value of positive number is negative number of less number is more, because it means minus 15, it is like as minus 15 is less than minus 10. I want to tell you that means minus value of negative value of bigger number is less than negative value of smaller number. That is in this energy of, that is the concept in this energy, when we find the energy of electrons, that is in that, because we have the energy in negative, then we increase the number of cell or orbit, then E decreases, E increases. So it means when it comes infinite, then when the number of number of orbit is infinite, then energy is approximately equal to 0. So that is concepts come here. Now we have to study about hydrogen spectrum or hydrogen emission spectrum. What is hydrogen emission? So first we have to understand the topic we have to study it. Now we have start to study. So what is the topic? That is topic is hydrogen emission spectrum. So what is the meaning of that? So first we have to understand that. What is hydrogen emission spectrum means, when electrons comes from high energy level orbit to low energy orbit, then it emit a finite energy photon. Then the group or then the bunch of that energy photon is called hydrogen emission spectrum. So try to understand that when that is high energy orbit, we know that electrons in upper orbit, the energy of electron is high. We will studied 2-3 minutes ago. High energy to low energy orbit, then it emit energy, because the high energy, when it comes from low energy, then it required to the energy is similar to lower energy orbit electron. So it have to emit, because it have more energy than lower energy orbits electron, than higher orbit it have. So then it emit energy. We see that the energy of hydrogen in first orbit is minus 13.6. There is a fixed value. There is no deflection in that value. There is no it is not 13.5, it never be 13.4, it is always 13.6 minus 13, and in N2 is equal to minus 3.443, that is 1.81. We see there the energy between them is not present, so we understand that energy emitted in fixed energy, the photon emitted in fixed energy, because we have taken that is energy of hydrogen in second orbit is that, and third in that, and the between and the middle energy is not here, so we understand that the fixed energy photon are emitted here, so that the fixed energy energy photon are emitted, then that spectrum is called, then the group of that photon is called hydrogen emission spectrum, and the hydrogen emission spectrum is linear spectrum. What do we mean by linear spectrum? What is in linear spectrum? When finite energy or finite wavelength, finite number wavelength wave are present in any spectrum, that spectrum is called linear spectrum. If the wave, that is the wavelength of wave, is in continuous manner, then the spectrum is called continuous spectrum. So hydrogen have linear spectrum, we see from air, because we know that there is a deflection between them is more high, that is 10 to the power, the deflection is that 10 to the that energy is emit when hydrogen jump from first orbit to second orbit, then it requires that type of that positive energy, it required that energy. So our topic is completed. If you like that video, then subscribe our channel or like our video.